Come on in here. Come on in here, y'all. Let's talk a little bit about our Nigerian in laws. Ladies, when you're dating or marrying a Nigerian man, you are dating and marrying his entire family, his mom, his dad, his sisters, his brothers. I'm referring to the immediate circle of family, but there's extended family as well, but we're talking about the immediate family. You're marrying and dating the entire family. There is a family dynamic. In my case, my in-law is a lot older. My father-in-law is very traditional. So he was the provider. He worked, he bought the homes, the cars, paid the school fees, bought the food, clothes, and all of that. My mother-in-law was a homemaker. She never worked. She took care of the kids. But the power dynamic in that family that can have leverage and affect your marriage and your relationship is the mom, your mother-in-law. Very, very important to have a good relationship with your mother-in-law. I know the dynamic of a Nigerian man marrying a Nigerian woman is different. There's a whole lot of different other cultural norms that come along with that versus him marrying an American. It's a little bit different. The expectations, I would say, are a little bit lowered because we don't understand the culture. We're not from the culture, but there are still some expectations, especially expectations around respect. So my advice, there's some unwritten rules that you should learn as far as respect when it comes to your potential in-laws. First off, when my in-laws come to my home, I don't put my hand out to shake their hand. I do a little curtsy or a little bending the knee or bow just to say welcome, to show them that respect. When my father-in-law comes and we pick him up from the airport, and I'm sitting in the front seat, I automatically hop to the back seat, and him and my husband sit in the front seat, and they drive and go where they're going to go. There's a lot of little things that you could do as far as unwritten rules. Once again, I'll go back to the food. The fact that you're not from the culture and you're really trying to learn how to cook the food and learn how to get the flavors and the taste and asking questions, that also shows a sign of respect, that you respect the culture, you respect their son and trying to provide and take care of him. So that also will bring a level of building a good relationship with your in-laws. But I will tell you, I have seen some mother-in-laws give their daughter-in-laws hell. And it has not been pretty. Not all situations, but I have seen some Nigerian moms being very difficult to their daughter-in-laws. And it's just like difficult just to be difficult. So there are little things that you can do from your aspect based off of where you sit as an American and not really enthralled into the culture. You're just marrying someone in the culture, but it's very, very important to learn it. And one of the biggest things is that respect factor. Understanding what those small things that you can do to show that you not only respect the family, but you also respect the culture.